So maybe just another color. This video we're gonna be doing the room. She's also makeup from that. So yeah, let's get started. So just put the red pieces and the white. Put the white and still working on it. See. The white. Wait. For this video, I made a long one, but it's very long, so I don't know how much more it takes. I'm just gonna put it in front of that you may see it. This is the one I'm making. You can see it. What is that? Yes, these they're cheap. They're sold in markets. Box. So this car is let's make it orange. So it's windy later when you adjust this. It's very important to just do this. These are some stickers. You can use any orange here. So coloring I'll choose money and orange. Random orange. Let's stop. Oh, that's red. So just put that. It's actually hard to find smooth like this orange. Like this. So the other one is going to be I'll go for wait. No, I'll just go for blue. But blue. Screen. So it's very easy to make this, and I got this for Christmas. I don't know how much it costs. So when you put it like this, you don't put it somewhere not here. So take it like this. Go under the blue and take the orange. So go until the end. Take one normal question. So actually, it won't be very complicated. So like this at the end, and then when you finish it, just turn this here. If you finish it, the loops, turn this here and this here. Put this. Take the hook, get the rubber band, stick that up. And next episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to make that. Now, thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it.